tapos na ang physical agility test at marami na sa atin or sa mga aplikante ang nag-aabang kung sino ang mapapasama sa list ng panel interview. At kung sakasakaling ikaw ay kasama sa list ng panel interview, maaari or posibleng ganito ang una sa introduction. Lagi nilang sinasabi na introduce yourself in 5 short sentences or briefly introduce yourself. Kung ako ay isa sa mga aplikante at isa sa mga napasama sa panel interview, ganito ako magkakaroon ng opening sentence para sa aking introduce yourself. I am a licensed professional teacher and a former teacher of Department of Education who developed strong communication skill, discipline, and leadership skill through mentorship and education. Ganyan ko tatapusin ang aking first sentence. At ganito ko naman sisimula ng aking second sentence sa introduce yourself. I am also a taekwondo enthusiast which trained me the value of discipline, resilience, and mental toughness in both personal and professional growth. After that, ganito ang aking pangatlong sentence sa introduce yourself. So, sa pangatlong sentence, kunwari ay babanggitin mo yung iyong current application. So, since I am in the Bureau of Corrections, ganito ko na siya gagamitin. Currently, I am serving as Correction Officer 1 in the Bureau of Corrections, particularly in K9 Unit under the Directorate for Intelligence and Investigation. I am committed to upholding security, responsibility, and public service. Ganyan ko tatapusin ang aking third sentence. At ganito ko naman sisimulan ang aking fourth sentence. My background in education, work experiences, sports enthusiasm, and journalism has developed and strengthened me analytical thinking, integrity, and the ability to communicate clearly under pressure. Ganyan ko tatapusin ang aking fourth sentence. And this will be my closing sentence in the introduce yourself. With all these experiences, I bring discipline, accountability, and dedication to excellence in every task that is entrusted with me. With that, Ma'am and Sir, I am ready to answer your questions. Kapag ganyan ka nagpakilala sa introduce yourself, awan ko na lang kung hindi pa ma-impress sa'yo at humanga ang mga nasa panel interview. Kaya, huwag mong kalilimutan, pag-aralan mo tong mabuti. Kung gusto mo pang mabigyan ka ng iba't ibang tips para sa nalalapit na panel interview, mag-comment ka sa ibaba, i-like and i-share ang aking mga posts. I-follow na rin ako sa TikTok, sa Facebook at sa aking YouTube account. Ako si 124, ang inyong certified kupal na palagi niyong maaasahan.
Bro, kupal tots, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap.